In this video, we're going to learn how to find the sum of the digits in an integer using recursion in Python. So for example, the integer 472 has the digits 4, 7, and 2. If we add these together, we get the number 13. To find the sum of the digits in an integer, we can follow this process. We'll take the integer, in this case 472, and we'll divide it by 10. This will give us the quotient of 47 and the remainder of 2. We'll keep following this process. We'll take the quotient 47 and we'll divide it by 10. This will give us 4, remainder 7. Then we'll take the quotient 4, we'll divide it by 10, and this will give us 0, remainder 4. Now once we reach a quotient of 0, we can stop this process of continually taking the quotient and dividing it by 10. Now along the way, we've extracted each digit in the number as a remainder of the division operation. So if we add these together, that will give us the sum of the digits in the integer. Now in Python, the / integer division operation will give us the quotient of a division operation, and the % modulus operator will give us the remainder of a division operation. We'll use these two operations to help us to implement this algorithm. Now to create the function, we'll have def and then sum digits as the function name, and the function will have the parameter number because the function is going to be passed the number to find the sum of the digits of as an argument. So to solve this problem using recursion, we'll have the sum digits function call itself. We call that a recursive function. The way a recursive function typically works is by solving some of the problem to be solved, and then calling itself to solve some remaining portion of the same problem to be solved. So what we'll have our sumDigits function do is extract one digit from the integer. Then we'll add that digit to the sum of the remaining digits in the integer as given by calling sumDigits with the quotient of the number after dividing it by 10. In other words, the remaining digits in the number. So the first thing we'll do is extract a digit from the number. We'll have remainder is equal to number modulus 10. This will give us the next digit in the number. Then to find the sum of the digits in the number, we're going to return that remainder plus the sum of the remaining digits in the number by passing sumDigits the number divided by 10. Now eventually we want this process of the function calling itself to stop. We want that to happen when the quotient is equal to 0. So if the number divided by 10 does equal 0, in that case, instead of having the function call itself, we're just going to return the remainder because that remainder is the last digit in the number. Then we could test this function down here. We'll call sumDigits and we'll pass it 472. Then we'll output the return value using print. So if we save the program and try it out, we'll get here 13, which is correct. Now we call this step here where the function calls itself the recursive case or the recursive step. We call this step here where recursion stops the base case or the base step. So this is how we can sum the digits in an integer using recursion in Python. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.